Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best gel press on nails is probably one of the most talked about beauty trends on TikTok right now, promising salon quality manicures in minutes without the hefty price tag or the commitment of traditional gel polish. These innovative nail enhancements are designed to offer a durable, glossy finish that mimics the look and feel of professional gel extensions, all from the comfort of your home. With an overwhelming variety of styles, shapes, and designs flooding social media feeds, it's easy to get swept up in the hype. But choosing the right set that actually delivers on its promises can be a daunting task for any beauty enthusiast looking to elevate their nail game. Number 5. Beetles Acrylic Nails Kit. Achieve salon-quality nail extensions with ease. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless manicure at home. You'll receive 500 pre-shaped long coffin tips in a clear, full-cover design. They are perfect for creating a variety of stunning nail looks. The soft nail tips are designed for easy application and soak-off removal. Enjoy a comfortable and convenient nail extension experience. Unleash your creativity with this versatile set, perfect for DIY nail art enthusiasts. Create beautiful designs effortlessly. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This comprehensive nail extension set is an ideal present for any woman who loves her nails. What we like? This option offers an incredible value with 500 pieces, perfect for extensive nail art experimentation. The long coffin shape is trendy and elongates the fingers beautifully. If you love having a vast selection and enjoy creating various looks at home, this is the set for you. What people say. Each nail does have a number at the very tip so you know what size you are using. The nail lamp is not only adorable but it works amazingly well. For something small. It packs a great punch and cures the nail adhesive beautifully. The tips are definitely soft gel and not plastic. If you do the bend test, they will pass. Number 4. OHORA Semi-Cured Gel Nail Strips and Addict. Achieve stunning, salon-quality nails right in the comfort of your home. Our gel nail strips offer a professional look with effortless application. No need for special equipment. These strips are designed to cure perfectly under any UV or LED lamp you already own. Enjoy beautiful, chip-resistant nails that last. Get a durable finish that keeps your manicure looking fresh for an extended period. Applying and removing them is a breeze. You'll have gorgeous nails in minutes, and taking them off is just as simple. Each set comes with everything you need for a perfect application. You'll find prep pads, a nail file, and a wooden stick included. Explore the Addict collection for unique and trendy designs. Elevate your nail game with our innovative gel strips. What we like? Experience salon-quality nails with these semi-cured gel strips that are incredibly easy to apply and remove. They work with any UV LED lamp, offering flexibility. If you're looking for a professional finish at home without the hassle, this is your go-to choice. What people say. These nail strips applied so easily and laid flat against my nails. I didn't have to fight at all with bubbles or lifting. I wore the pictured strips for almost 3 weeks, and not a single one fell off. Easy to apply, make sure they are pushed in place, stayed in place over 2 weeks. Number 3. OHORA Semi-Cured Gel Nail Strips and Cream Cotton. Discover the effortless way to achieve salon-quality nails at home. Our innovative gel nail strips provide a flawless finish that lasts. Achieve a beautiful, solid white look with ease. These strips are designed for simple application and removal, fitting seamlessly into your routine. Experience the luxury of professional-looking nails without the salon price. They work perfectly with any UV LED lamp for a durable, long-lasting manicure. Enjoy your gorgeous nails for longer. When it's time for a change, removal is just as simple and gentle as application. Each set comes complete with prep pads, a nail file, and a wooden stick. You'll have everything you need for a perfect application right out of the box. What we like? Achieve a clean, classic look with these solid white semi-cured gel strips. They offer a chic, minimalist aesthetic that's perfect for any occasion. If you prefer a timeless, elegant style and want a quick, flawless application, these are ideal. What people say. Thorough nail prep is also key for prolonging the length of time they remain adhered to the nails. Mine will last a solid 2+ weeks if I do the following. I put the set I'll be using next to my space heater but still in their black box to keep light from activating prematurely. When warmed, they will be ultra-flexible formable to match one's nail shapes. The use of a heater is as important to success as the acetone trick, in my experience. The first few times before I realized heat was necessary, it was quite difficult because they were so stiff. Of course, good nail prep like pushing cuticles back and remove extra cuticle skin, gentle file of the nail bed, roughed up nail bed helps adhesion. Once finished with the preparing, was hands with Dawn or whichever kind of dish soap when time to start application. After washing hands and nails with the anti-grease soap, anti-grease dish soap or similar helps remove oils that will interfere with adhesion. Next, is to wipe your nail beds with the alcohol prep pad that is included. It helps to wipe fingertip skin with the alcohol wipe since we touch the strip when applying, and we need the least amount of oil possible, otherwise they will pop off shortly after. I now just put rubbing alcohol all on my hands and nails. If nail prep is skipped, the nails will not stay on long. Period. I use a pair of eyebrow trim scissors to trip off the excess, though nail clippers will do. When I apply the strip, I place it beginning from one side, so just one half of the nail has the strip on, so the other half of the strip is still essentially not touching, so I can stretch the non-adhered side, when necessary, so all of the nail is covered reduces the rigid line sticker look. If they have not been warmed up with the heater this will not work. I keep the heater on in my area throughout application. After I have the strips on, but before any curing with light, it is now time to proceed with the two-step magic method of the acetone trick. The result of this technique literally seals the nail strip around the nail edges, eliminating the super EW hair snag feeling. I cannot recommend this step enough. Also, this sealing prolongs overall wear. You can purchase the 100% acetone from Amazon for under $10. So after applying my nail strips while they are still pliable and not at all cured yet, take your 100% acetone and pour a bit in the cap of the bottle or any small dish. Step 1 of 2, dip a paintbrush or a nail polish brush in the acetone and apply a generous amount all around the edges of the strip skin. Do make sure to press them first before acetone so as not to get any underneath. We are basically melting the polish down a bit to seal them against the nail bed. So apply the acetone around the end sides of your nails, avoiding the center part obviously. Step 2 of 2. After applying the acetone along the sides edges of the strip nail, wait like 45 to 50 seconds then use the pusher orange wood stick flat edge and press along each of the areas where we just applied the acetone. Do it gently at first to test that the acetone is dry, BC it will cause the strip to have a gummed up effect if pushed on too soon. Not a huge deal, just wait a minute more or so. Finish pushing down along the edges with the orange wood stick or whichever tool you prefer. I cannot stress how imperative these two steps are. I can now easily get about 2 weeks wear, 0 hair snagging. This is essential. Now in the application process it is finally time to cure the semi-cured gel. Nail lamps for curing these are like $11. I use OHORA S and it has preset times I do about 4 long cycles. They will then look shiny and pretty. After they've cured, use the nail file to refine and file down any areas that are still a bit over the nail, or if you did not cut the excess strip when applying, then file it all away filing in one direction. I highly recommend trimming them when applying but don't worry about perfection, as that is what the filing is for, so just refine to your natural nail length, ensuring there are no areas that are longer than the nail length itself, otherwise they will be prone to breaking easily. I have found that semi-cured nail polish allow my nails to keep their length, with exceptions obviously, but overall I've only been able to actually have a bit of length to my natural nails when I keep them protected with these nail strips. I have tried a few other brands out of curiosity, however, for my nail shape I have had the best results with OHORA. My favorite colors are N Nudist and N Gold Coast. I've tried many different colors, but I stick with N Gold Coast these days. I also like N Clean White. I am not affiliated with any company. I wrote this for anyone that may find these tidbits helpful, or for those that are here reading are not getting good results wondering what is causing them to pop off so soon, etc. I did not come up with the acetone trick myself, I learned it from that OHORA Girls tutorial. I have been using these for some years now. I almost gave up after my second or third applications popped off shortly after, before I knew the importance of nail prep, before I knew of the acetone step, in keeping them warm during application. The process of applying sometimes gets annoying, but it's way better, to me at least, than waiting for strong-smelling, short-lasting, nail polish to dry. The cured strip really feels similar in strength as gel nails. Very much a game changer in having pretty nails that feel hard like gel yet easy to do yourself and less costly than going to get them done. I have tried everything to help my nails. I work in a warehouse where we have to wear gloves and my nails have struggled. I've tried normal gel polish, poly gel, builder's gel, etc. It just was never worth it. I would spend hours doing my nails only for them to last 2 days. So far, these nail stickers have lasted a full week. They were so fast and easy to use. They did lift a little on my dominant hand but I'm chalking that up to user error. 10/10 fully recommend and will definitely buy again. These were very cute, but didn't last as long as some of the other colors. I got red before these and they lasted me about 2 weeks. I prefer ones that last a long time because I have my hands in water a lot at work and overall wash my hands quite often. I do the same routine when applying, which is removing cuticles, buffing the nail surface, wiping with ISO alcohol and applying a gel top coat after I cure and file them. Same routine I did with the red color, same brand, but these peeled off within hours of application. That being said, I did love the opacity of the color. I've gotten the red and green before, which were a tad translucent, not that you could tell once they were applied, but these didn't have that translucency. I'll be trying regular gel polish to see if it's a better fit for me than the strips. Here's a few things I do really love about the brand though: adds protection. Hardness to your nail. It comes with a lot of different sizes so you can redo a nail here and there if one peels off. They cure quickly. I usually do 90s and 30s just to be safe, but they do feel cured even after just 60s. All that being said, I often wear gloves and do a lot with my hands at work, so with regular polish it often chips or peels, and my nails break easily. I haven't had any of my nails break when wearing any of these strips due to the durability they add, which is something I do really love. The red color however stuck a little too well and did some damage during removal, but that's on me for not removing them properly, lol. Number 2. OHORA Semi-Cured Gel Nail Strips, N Brick. Achieve a professional salon look right in your own home. These gel nail strips offer a stunning finish that lasts. Applying them is incredibly simple, saving you time and hassle. Get a perfect manicure in minutes. Enjoy beautiful nails for an extended period. They are designed to be durable and chip resistant. These strips work with any UV LED lamp and are just as easy to remove. No damage to your natural nails. Everything you need is in the box. It comes with prep pads, a nail file, and a wooden stick for a perfect application. The solid brown color offers a chic and versatile look. It complements any style or outfit. What we like? Embrace a warm, earthy tone with these solid brown semi-cured gel strips. They provide a sophisticated and natural look that's versatile for everyday wear. If you're seeking a subtle yet stylish manicure that lasts, this shade is a fantastic option. What people say. Thorough nail prep is also key for prolonging the length of time they remain adhered to the nails. Mine will last a solid 2+ weeks if I do the following. I put the set I'll be using next to my space heater but still in their black box to keep light from activating prematurely. When warmed, they will be ultra flexible, formable to match one's nail shapes. The use of a heater is as important to success as the acetone trick, in my experience. The result of this technique literally seals the nail strip around the nail edges, eliminating the super EW hair snag feeling. Also, this sealing prolongs overall wear. I have tried everything to help my nails. I work in a warehouse where we have to wear gloves and my nails have struggled. So far, these nail stickers have lasted a full week. They were so fast and easy to use. Number 1. OHORA Semi-Cured Gel Nail Strips, N Cream Leaf. Achieve a professional salon look with ease. These gel nail strips offer a high-quality finish that lasts. Get into the festive spirit with these charming green nails. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day celebrations. Applying them is a breeze, and they stay put for a long time. Enjoy beautiful nails without the hassle. These gel strips are compatible with any UV or LED lamp. Cure them easily for a perfect set. When you're ready for a change, they remove just as easily. No damage, just beautiful nails. The solid green color is eye-catching and stylish. It's a versatile shade that complements many looks. What we like? Get into the festive spirit with these unique green semi-cured gel strips, perfect for St. Patrick's Day or just adding a pop of fun. They offer a special, themed look that stands out. If you love seasonal nail art and want an easy way to celebrate holidays, these are a must-have. What people say. These were very easy to put on and did not get dingy during the time I wore them. As far as functionality goes, I can definitely do everything that I could do before I put the nails on. This color is absolutely beautiful and matches a lot of my wardrobe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.